25 sentences using the verb be that can be helpful in everyday communication. Video 1 of 100 with the most frequently used verbs.
Where is the nearest grocery store?
Can you tell me what time it is?
Are you feeling okay today?
This meeting is very important.
I will be there in 5 minutes.
She is my best friend.
We are going to the park this afternoon.
Is there a problem with the internet? The weather is perfect for a picnic. He is always on time.
Are you ready to leave?
This dish is delicious.
It is nice to meet you.
The kids are at school right now. Is this seat taken?
My favorite color is blue.
Where are you from? I am excited about the trip.
It is important to stay hydrated.
Are they coming to the party?
This book is very interesting.
You are doing a great job.
Is it okay if I open the window?
He is very good at playing the guitar.
I will be back soon.